Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will have a look at Teradata, TDC. Teradata has shown some nice uptrend during last couple weeks, but now it seems like that it's going to break the trend down. So the question is it still a good stock to buy? And if it is, where can we do it? What would be the safe levels to do so? Before answering that question, let's have a look to general indicators behavior. So first it's RSI. Indeed, it was also following this uptrend behavior, and now seems like there is a little bit downtrendish observation, but it's still in an inflection point, so it still might return. So I would say it creates some psychological downtrend pressure. If we look at divergence convergence index, indeed also it was following very well following very well in correlation with the uptrend. Then it has reached its maximum, and now it's actually trying to decline, and it's about zero. So here what could happen in these points when it's actually about zero, especially under the situation that moving averages 20 and 50 are still going a tendency to uptrend. So the game is not over for those who want to uptrend. What could happen when you reach the zero of market index from top to the bottom? It could be bouncing effect here. And if this would happen, the stock can momentarily jump up until the first resistance, which would be obviously here then on the level of moving average 50, and then it will retrace, because overall there is a very strong actually confirmation of trend changing for the moment. And if Monday morning will give us this uptrend, it still might make kind of a swing up, and then it is actually expected to have some downtrend. And the downtrend doesn't mean that it's a bad point. It's actually a moment to wait and to see how the pressure will be developing upwards, because once here it will go downside, it will actually try to create a similar pattern like here. And once this happens, we can actually buy again and sell it with some profit. So let's have a look what would be the best points to buy and sell. First, let's see another type of trend we see here. It's this one. So what we could expect is actually first line of defense. If the price goes down here, it can be another bouncing point, but most probably volatility, and then the stock might go down here. So if this happens, if it crosses this line, that would be the first buy box for this stock. Let's draw it now. So that would be the first buy box here. And if the price continues to decline, here would be another buy box. Actually, a very strong buy box will be somewhere here at around actually 1820. So this is the first buy box if it goes down, and this would be the second buy box. Here, if you look at the candle combination, it's actually, you can see a clear volatility around moving average 20, and stock is still deciding whether it wants to go up or down, because volume was also significant if you compare to previous average lines. And there is still some pressure up, but the candle itself looks like a piercing, so it might pierce down further the moving average 20. Actually, in the Monday we will see how it will go. Either it will go scenario 1 when it will give some first jump up at the downtrend, or it will follow the second scenario, so it will just volatile at this support and then trend down. In both cases, the box 1 and box 2 are still valid, and in those it's very nice to buy. Once the boxes are reached, reversal is expected, and then we need to think where would be the best selling point for this stock actually. And if we will look at that, the very nice selling position would be here, quite safe, actually about 21 plus, I would say 21.10. And here we will need to decide again what will happen. Will it really continue the uptrend, or it will go to some downtrend Correction and downtrend correction is more probable situation here because also we don't need to forget that general trend is down for this stock here. Moving average 500 is going down, and overall there is this very nice, very well confirmed downtrend behavior with some bounces here, neglection here as well. So most probable, even if after this point it will be some jump up, the situation might repeat and we could go down further. So that's the prediction for TDC for next week and another week as well. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.